butter, flour, almond powder, icing sugar, boiled pistachio, 1 piece of egg. This is optional. Add the butter and sugar together in a bowl. You can also use hand blender as well. Beat the sugar until light and fluffy. Once the butter gets soft and fluffy, I add the egg. If you have vanilla essence, you can also add as well. Just scrape the sides. Use the spatula. Once the butter gets until light and fluffy, and then I will add flour, almond powder and baking powder and some of pistachios. Now I add the flour with baking powder, almond flour and pistachios. This is boiled pistachios. I boil with water. My cookies dough is ready. I prepare one small box, or you can also prepare sheet pan also as well. I set the cookies mixture in 2 hours in the fridge. After 2 hours, I start to cut finger size of cookies. See the texture, cookies texture and pistachios. Now I will coat my cookies with breakfast sugar. Coat both sides. And arrange in the sheet pan. I preheat the oven 170 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies 21 minutes. Fragrant and look golden color. Let them cool before you serving your cookies. Vanilla shortbread. You can also store these cookies in the box. Let the cookies cool completely, then store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or 10 days. You can store as well also. See the texture of cookies, very nice. The cookies looks yummy. See the pistachios. This is my final product. See the coating with sugar. Thank you so much. See you again.